All right, well, Chris Popper, I'm joined by Officer Sean Merchant from the Ellsworth Police Department. And today it's every 15 minutes here at Ellsworth High School, a program that's done every year. Tell us a little bit about how many officers and staff from, well, you've got Ellsworth PD, you've got Hancock County, who's involved?
We have the Ellsworth PD, we have, I think, 10 of us here today. We also have a great number of the firefighters which have taken a lot of action to help put this together. We also have county ambulance and also the staff members from the school.
Okay, and not only are people involved here, but when students are chosen as the living dead, then there are actually people who are going out and notifying the parents.
Yes, that's correct. We have Hancock County Sheriff's Office, we've had Bar Harbor PD, we also have our own officers doing these death notifications. They've been doing them all.
And I mean, it's just, everybody realizes that it's pretend, but when an officer comes to your place of business,
yes,
knocks on your door and says, "I regret to tell you that your child's passed away," it doesn't matter if it's fake or not, it's real.
We have, the officer came back and has done several of them this morning, I think 10 or 12 of them.
Oh.
And he just says everybody's crying, they know it's fake, but it's also real to them, so it definitely hits home.
I mean, this is a program that really, I think everybody ought. I mean, I go away from it, and it's like, okay, the phone goes in the back of the car. I don't drink really anymore, but it's like I would never even contemplate having a cocktail or a beer and then getting into a vehicle after seeing something like this.
Yep, and we're stressing that with teenagers. Over the last 20 years, it seems to be trending for teenagers, and we see a lot of it. So we're trying to cut back on that, or at least give them awareness of what the ramifications are. So
kids think they're invincible. They think that they're Superman. They're 18 years old, 16, 17, 18 years old. They're in their prime of the life. But when they go out there and they see the accident stage, and I mean, whoever does the makeup does such a realistic job.
Again, we thank the fire department for that because they spend a lot of time doing that. A lot of hours in the morning getting them prepped up. So.
Yeah, I mean, it's just an amazing scene. Yep. All right, so about, you said, how many man hours are volunteered putting this together?
Well, Chris, it's hard to put a number on that. I know what I put into it.
Yeah, yes.
My sergeants put into it, and I get an idea what the fire department's put into it.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what the teachers and the staff members are doing. They have so much to do with coordinating with parents and coordinating with us and getting programs done. So I know there's a lot of hours to do this.
Well, and just to show how important it is here at Ellsworth High School, I mean, the day is completely disrupted.
It is.
As we said, there's no practices, there are no games. Right. It's a day to save lives.
Yes, and then once this crash scene is done, the students will go to an undisclosed location with chaperones. And they have
no cell phones.
No cell phones, no iPads. It's we're taking them for a whole day.
And they write a letter.
They write a letter to their parents while they're gone. And they do a video chat.
It's just an amazing scene.
It is.
And the Grim Reaper right next to us.
Yes.
All right. Thanks for watching. Every 15 minutes, we'll have the video of the event done by the HCTC media department, who do just a marvelous job. Thanks for watching. We'll have pictures posted on our website as well today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.